Hey there, Woloszynowicz here from Vibrant Shot, and today I just want to introduce you to my new course on rggedu.com entitled The Complete Guide to Fashion and Beauty Photography with High-End Retouching. We follow a similar format to what you find on my YouTube channel today, but go well beyond the existing content to create something much more cohesive. I'll show you a variety of workflows that you can use to edit different fashion looks, from simple 20-minute test shoot edits to a 6-hour complex high-end beauty retouch. You'll learn the tools and techniques you need to know to take your images to the next level or develop as a professional retoucher. In addition to the capture and business tutorials, we have over 10 hours of post-processing instruction, creating one of the most comprehensive courses on fashion, portrait, and high-end retouching available today. I'm going to be taking you through a variety of workflows, from simple test looks all the way to a 6-hour complex beauty edit. My goal here was to really teach you all the tools and techniques that you need to know and how to properly use them to create beautiful images that capture the viewer's eye. In addition to over 15 hours of video content, you'll also get a comprehensive iBook and audio podcast. The iBook will serve as your reference guide before and during your shoot and discusses the key things you need to know about each look, how to build a team, the poses to watch for, clothing, and lots more. The audio podcast spans over 45 minutes and talks about business matters such as marketing and pricing. All this together forms one of the most comprehensive guides for fashion photographers out there today. Our goal in creating this course was to give you a thorough overview of everything you need to know to get started in fashion photography or to up your existing game in fashion photography. We go well beyond the capture and post-processing stages and focus on additional knowledge that every fashion photographer needs to possess. We'll talk about gear, pricing, working with agencies, building a great team, and how to find experienced models. We'll show you the types of looks that you need to get comfortable shooting to build your portfolio and progress in your career as a fashion photographer.